How to set up recurring payments, PayPal subscription payment. Now, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner, freelancer, content creator, or service provider looking to set up recurring payments using PayPal, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through on how you can create subscription-based payments option with PayPal step by step. So your client or customers can pay you on autopilot every month. Let's jump right in. All of the mentioned tools are going to be mentioned on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, basically, what are the PayPal subscriptions? PayPal subscriptions allow you to collect recurring payments from customers. It's perfect for things like membership, digital services, coaching, retainers, or any kind of monthly billing. It saves you from chasing invoices and ensures consistent cash flow. The best part, you don't even need a website to get started. PayPal gives you a shareable link. Now, how can you go ahead and set up the PayPal business account? We basically need this account in order to go ahead and get the recurring payments feature. So inside their website right here, you simply want to click on the sign up button. Now, if you're on a personal account, you want to go ahead and log in into your PayPal dashboard, and from there you simply want to go ahead and convert into a business account. Now you'll need to enter your business name, a contact information, and describe what you sell. Basically, once upgraded, you'll be able to access tools like your subscription, invoicing, and more. But if you're creating an account on PayPal for the first time, you can just go ahead and select the business option right here, click on Get Started, and simply once inside, you will then have to enter information like your first name, middle name, last name, email, and lastly, password. In my case, I'm going to be logging in my business account right here. Simply right after, we then want to create a subscription plan. Now, let's go ahead and create the first subscription product on our PayPal business account. First things first, you want to navigate through your PayPal dashboard. Simply once inside, you can then navigate through the invoicing tab right here. You can see it inside the quick access. And right after, it will then take us to the invoices page where we can simply create a new invoice. But what we're looking for is the recurring series right here. Now with this option, we will be able to set some schedules to go ahead and recur some payments on our customers. So just click on the Create New Recurring Series button. From here, you then have the recurring series schedule. Now the invoice will start at this date right here, so you can just customize this the way you want to. You have the repeat in my case, the subscription is going to repeat every 1 month. You have the ending and you have the after. Right after, just click on the Save button. And then you will be able to customize this the way you want to. So inside you have the Bill To. You then have to click on Add New Customers. You then have to fill out their contact or customer information right here. And right after that, you then have to enter your item. So let's just click on the Add New Item button. In my case, the item will be named Shopify. You then have the description and the price right here. In my case, it's going to be 500 pesos every month. And from there, let's just click on the Save Item button. Now that we have our item right here, we can then choose the Shopify item or our specified item. This is going to be one quantity right here, no tax and no description. From there, we then have the message to customer option. Once again, you want to add your customer right here. You can also change the currency if you want to. In my case, I'm on the PHP right here, which is on the Philippines. And basically, we then have our template. Now to simply start the billing process, you then want to click on the Start Series button right here. Right after that, it will then inform that specific person that the recurring series have started or the recurring payments have started. Basically, after creating your plan, PayPal gives you a subscription button or link. You can share via email, social media, or embed on your website. Now, you can go ahead and add it to your checkout page. You can share it with clients directly through messaging apps, and you can use it on platforms like Gumroad, Substack, or even in your Instagram bio. Now, how can we go ahead and manage this subscription? To view or manage subscription, you can just navigate through your PayPal dashboard, and simply once inside, there will be an option right here for subscriptions activity. Now, you'll see a list of subscribers, active plans, and payment status. From here, you can then cancel a plan, pause it, issue refunds, or edit pricing. This is also where you handle failed payments or expired cards. Now, let's talk about the benefits of PayPal subscription. Why do we want to use PayPal for recurring payments? Number one, it is a trusted platform. Millions already use it, which builds trust. Number two, they have no coding required. You can just create plans in minutes. Number three is they have automatic billing. No manual reminders needed. Fourth, they have real-time insight. See who's paying, how often, and when. And lastly, they integrate with platforms like Kajabi, WordPress, Gumroad, and many more out there. Now, we then have the fees and limitations. PayPal does charge a fee, usually around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction depending on your country. Now, you want to keep in mind that there may be some limitations if you're in a restricted country, and you want to make sure that your PayPal account is fully verified to avoid any holds or limitation. Now, let's also give you some tips for success. Number one, you want to offer a free trial to get people in the door. You want to make sure that the terms are clear, especially around cancellation and refunds. You want to send a welcome email after signing up, using Zapier or Make.com for your automation. And lastly, you want to monitor cancellations and adjust pricing and or value accordingly. Once again, to basically do this, you can just navigate through the invoicing tab. And from here, you will be able to add a customers and more inside your recurring series. Click on recurring series, click on create new recurring series. And from here, we can then customize this the way we want to, like the date, the bill to, the items, message to customers, and more. And at the side category, you then have your subtotal, the frequency of your recurring payments, the other discounts, shipping, other amounts, and more. And so, that's it. And so, setting up PayPal subscriptions is a game changer for any businesses looking to generate consistent revenue. Whether you're a coach, digital product creator, or run an online service, recurring billing makes your life easier. So go ahead, follow the steps and start getting paid automatically every month. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.